It's early morning. Now I'm up in a tree getting my breakfast. These beautiful coconuts. Look at the sunlight on them. And I'm just picking this coconut and I stop because I am struck by how magical it is that nature grows food for us. That she can produce these coconuts and we can plant them and we can get a tree. And then we can get hundreds and thousands of coconuts from this one tree. And how on some level this tree is conscious of me, appreciating, really loving and appreciating that she feeds me. And then all of a sudden I feel something on the back of my leg. And it's her fronds tickling me. And I look down this branch and I look at it glistening in the morning sun. And I start to notice the detail of each little frond. And I just start noticing the beauty of everything. And my appreciation for coconuts and for nature abounds. Bon appetit.